Page number 30. Illustration number 1. Okay. Look at the first transaction. Tanishq is again started business with cash with 70,000. Okay, we brought cash into business. Which two accounts are involved? Cash account,
capital account.
and capital account. Okay. Then next, types of account. Cash account, personal,
Real account.
real account, capital account, personal account. Here cash comes in or goes out?
In.
Debit
Comes in.
comes in. Okay, and due to personal account rule, credit the
Credit to the giver.
giver. Here owner is the giver to the business, and business is a receiver. Okay, what is the entry?
Cash account. Cash account.
Cash account debit amount
Amount.
70,000 to
Capital account.
capital account. Okay, this is debit column, debit amount column, credit amount column. The account which is debited, the amount of this debit account will remain on debit column. Okay, and the account which is credited, the amount of credit column remain on credit side. Next, deposited cash into Bank of India. Here they have mentioned the name of bank. Then again you have to take name of the bank also, not only bank. तुम्हाला नुसतं बँक घ्यायचं नाही, बँक ऑफ इंडिया वर्ड यूज करायचं आहे पुढे पण जर ते नाव दिलं असेल तर. मग डिपॉझिटेड कॅश इनटू बँक, बँकेत पैसे जमा केले बरोबर आहे. मग एंट्री काय होणार? बँकेत पैसे जमा केले कुठे कुठले ट्रान्झॅक्शन होणार, कुठे कुठे अकाउंट तयार होणार? बँक ऑफ इंडिया आणि कॅश. बँक ऑफ इंडिया अकाउंट आणि कॅश अकाउंट हे दोन अकाउंट तयार होणार. ओके. Then types of account. Bank of India, which type of account?
Personal.
Personal. Bank is an institution, so it is a personal account. Cash,
Real account.
real account. Sampatti, property. Okay. Rule applied. Bank is a receiver or giver. आपण बँकेत पैसे जमा केले म्हणजे बँक घेणारी पैसे म्हणजे रिसीवर. रूल काय आहे? डेबिट द
Debit the receiver.
रिसीवर
Credit
आणि काय ना रिअल अकाउंटचं क्रेडिट वर्ड
goes out.
गोज आउट. बघा एक डेबिट असेल तर दुसरं क्रेडिट असते कंपल्सरी. एंट्री बँक ऑफ इंडिया
Bank of India. Debit to cash account.
टू कॅश अकाउंट
10,000.
नेक्स्ट विथड्रॉ कॅश फ्रॉम बँक ऑफ इंडिया फॉर ऑफिस यूज. ऑफिस यूज म्हणजे बिझनेस साठी आपण 5,500 रुपये विथड्रॉ केले. विथड्रॉ मीन्स काढणे, बँकेतून पैसे आपण काढलेले आहेत म्हणजे कॅश बिझनेस मध्ये आला. कुठलं टाकणार अगेन
बँक ऑफ इंडिया आणि कॅश अकाउंट.
कॅश अकाउंट आणि बँक ऑफ
Bank of
इंडिया.
India.
टाइप्स ऑफ अकाउंट
Real account. Personal.
correct. Now here rule cash comes in or goes out. आपण बँकेत पैसे विथड्रॉ केले.
Comes in.
डेबिट comes in
Credit goes out.
and credit
Goes out.
credit
Goes out.
गिवर पर्सनल गिवर का
giver. bank is a giver. okay, बँकेने दिले पैसे. entry cash account debit to bank of
इंडिया
India account. amount
55 lakh.
next
Purchase the goods from cash.
purchase goods for cash म्हणजे रोखीने आपण गुड्स खरेदी केले. ओके, टू अकाउंट्स आर इन्व्हॉल्व. विच आर दे?
Goods and cash.
गुड्स अकाउंट आहे,
Cash account.
तर तिथं परचेस अकाउंट दिले. परचेस अकाउंट घेतलं तरी चालते. गुड्स या ठिकाणी परचेस घेतलं तरी चालेल. लिसन, when you purchase goods or sell goods, only in terms of goods you can use the word purchase or sales. If suppose you purchase furniture or machinery, you can't use the word purchase and sales. Okay, goods साठी तुम्ही goods ऐवजी purchase किंवा sales word use करू शकता. Okay,
Real.
goods cash account,
Real.
real
personal,
real. Okay, goods comes in on goes out.
comes,
purchase म्हणजे खरेदी करणे.
हाँ.
ओके, खरेदी करणे goods comes in.
comes in,
डेबिट
comes in,
Credit.
goes out,
goes out. Entry goods account debit,
Goods account debit.
cash, to cash account,
To cash account.
amount
5,000.
clear.
Yes.
Next, sold goods for cash. Okay, here we sold goods in cash. रोखीने आपण मालाची विक्री केली. बरोबर आहे. टू अकाउंट्स आहेत इन्व्हॉल्व, कॅश अँड
Cash and
goods. कॅश अकाउंट, goods account. Both are real account. Okay, here cash goes out or comes in.
goes out, comes,
When we sold goods, we will receive the money. जब हम goods बेचते हैं तो हमको पैसे मिलते हैं. ओके, पैसा हमें मिलना. कैश कम्स इन, डेबिट कम्स इन, क्रेडिट
goes out,
goes out. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट
To goods account.
टू गुड्स अकाउंट.
9,000.
लिखा होता है. नेक्स्ट, अरे sold goods to रोहिणी, रुपीज 9,000. Okay,
Any and goods account.
here name of the party given and in cash is not given. Okay, where in cash is absent there and name of the party is given, it is known as the said transaction is known as a credit transaction. Okay, two accounts are involved. When credit transaction is there, you must use party's name. जेव्हा क्रेडिट उधारीचा व्यवहार असतो तेव्हा पार्टीचं नाव कंपल्सरी यायला पाहिजे. मग रोहिणी आणि गुड्स, रोहिणी अकाउंट and goods account. Here Rohini personal account. Tell me the rule of personal account.
credit, you credit the receiver and
Personal account rule.
Debit the receiver, credit the giver.
Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Here Rohini is the receiver. She received the goods because we sold her. आपण तिला goods विकलेला आहे. She is the receiver. So personal account rule is the
Credit the
debit the
debit the
receiver
receiver.
and goods goes out. Credit what?
Goods.
Goes out. What is the entry? Rohini account
Debit
debit.
account debit. To goods account.
To goods account.
9,000,
9,000.
Next. Purchase goods on credit from Kiran. Here they are clearly mentioned as on credit. So party name must be
No.
shown. But here party name is Kiran Stores. Kiran Stores is there. Kiran Store means it is the name of the store. Okay, you have to use full name instead of only Kiran. Kiran च्या ऐवजी पूर्ण नाव तुम्हाला यूज करायचं आहे. Okay, and goods. We have purchased goods. Okay, which two types of account is involved? goods account
Kiran store.
and Kiran store. Now tell me, Kiran store is personal or real?
Personal.
Correct. Goods is a real account
Real account.
and Kiran is a personal account.
Personal.
Personal.
We purchase goods from Kiran store. So now tell me, Kiran store is a receiver or giver?
Receiver.
And goods comes in.
Yes.
Goods comes in is debit or comes in. And Kiran store is giver,
Giver.
not receiver. We purchase goods from Kiran now.
Yes.
When we purchase the goods, we should be sell. Credit the giver. Kiran sold goods to us. He is giver. What is the entry? Goods comes in, goods account debit. To Kiran store account.
6,000.
Okay, write up. Let's continue with the next transaction. Transaction number 8. Receive the dividend rupees 4,500. Here the term dividend is new for you. Dividend म्हणजे काय? लाभांश means what? When any company is established, म्हणजे स्थापना होते, एखाद्या कंपनीची जेव्हा स्थापना होते, okay, the capital of this company will be raised through issue of shares. ती कंपनी काय करते, सगळ्या लोकांना शेअर्स इश्यू करते, भाग इश्यू करते, मग ती लोक ते भाग खरेदी करतात. ओके, they purchase the shares and after 1 year when company earns profit, जो कंपनी प्रॉफिट कमवते, they will get the part of the profit. ते जे शेअर होल्डर असतात, the people who purchase the share is known as the shareholder. ते जे शेअर होल्डर असतात त्यांना जो प्रॉफिट मिळतो, पार्ट ऑफ द प्रॉफिट, इट इज नोन एज अ डिव्हिडंड. डिव्हिडंड हा वर्ड कसा आलाय? डिव्हिडंडम. ओके, लॅटिन वर्ड. आणि बघा, डिवाइड केलेला फंड म्हणजे पैसा, फंड म्हणजे पैसा, डिवाइडेड फंड म्हणजे डिव्हिडंड. ओके, मग जे शेअरहोल्डर असतात त्यांना हे डिव्हिडंड मिळालं. आता इथं आपण रिसिव्ड डिव्हिडंड, रिसिव्ड मीन्स आपल्याला मिळाले. ओके, वी गॉट द कॅश. रिसिव्ड आणि पेड शब्द आले की कॅश अकाउंट येणार, लक्षात ठेवा. ओके, व्हेन वी got the word received or paid into the transaction, then it is known as a, it should be assumed as a cash goes out or cash comes in. Now here received means cash comes in. Okay, so account involved cash and dividend is our income or expenses for us. Types of account: cash, real, dividend, nominal. Exactly. Rule for cash: cash comes in or goes out. Debit comes in. And dividend is income for us, na?
Yes.
Credit, income and gains. Okay, then we record the entry as cash account debit to dividend account. Next, transaction number 9. Paid audit fees. Audit fees means fees paid to accountant or CA. आपलं जे अकाउंटिंग चेक करतात त्याला ऑडिट म्हणतात. ओके, हियर CA we must keep CA. Okay, CA will check the accounting. The fees of CA is known as the audit fees. Here we use the word paid. Paid means cash paid. So cash will be involved in it and audit fees. Audit fees and cash. These two accounts are involved in it. So audit fees belongs to which types of account? Audit fees means accounting fee. It is expenses for us. आपल्याला जे लॉस आहे तो ऑडिट फी आपण पे करतोय. So nominal account and cash real account. Types of account, rule of applied for audit fees: debit the expenses and losses. Here cash credit goes out. We paid amount, so cash goes out. So cash amount should be credited. Entry, final entry, audit fees amount debit.
To cash account.
To cash account. Transaction over.